Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today my topic is about working to doing something for our beloved country Pakistan. Being a Pakistani, a citizen of Pakistan, being a teacher, I want to do something for Pakistan. And my students, my friends, my colleagues, and all the people who know me, they also want to do something for Pakistan. But unfortunately, from last 73 years, the Pakistan, in which condition now, we know very well. The condition of Pakistan is what? We don't have proper system of electricity. We don't have proper developed roads. We did not develop the proper universities. We don't have proper good colleges. We don't have the research centers. But what we can do for making our Pakistan a progress country, a prosperous country, and a country which is most successful and wealthiest country in all over the world. We are not able to do everything because unfortunately the bad peoples, the so-called Muslim leaders are controlling the nation. The people who are saying them the good politics of Pakistan, they are working for their personal interest. They are making the wealth in the foreign countries. They have their bank balances in the other countries. They are not investing in Pakistan. But what a simple, a normal Pakistani can do for Pakistan, that us, the people, our representatives, our so-called representatives have not done for the Pakistan. We can do a lot for Pakistan. I want to say two things that we can do, two things for making a Pakistan a good country in the world. First of all, that we can make clean to the Pakistan. We can make clean to the Pakistan, and we can start from our home, from our street, from our village, from our road. We can make clean to the Pakistan by ourselves. We can make some people attached with ourselves and we can make clean. And second thing that we can do for the Pakistan, and we don't need a lot of money for doing this second thing for Pakistan, we can make green to the Pakistan. First we can make clean to the Pakistan, and then we can make green to the Pakistan. So start your plantation from your home. Plant trees, plant plants at your home, at your street, and the roads which are near to your home. And I want to close my topic because our representatives, our leaders are not representative ourselves. Religiously, culturally, and other factors, if I want to discuss, we are not working according to the people. If public want to make a Pakistan an Islamic country, but our leaders are not working over it. If we want to see our country a very beautiful, but our leaders are not working properly over it. And if we want to develop, we want to see our country best developed countries in the world, we can do these two things. First, make clean to the Pakistan and make green to the Pakistan. Thanks, many thanks to you for making this video. All of us should follow it. And Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
मुकम्मल वीडियो देखने के बाद बताएं कि वो कौन से दो काम हैं जो हर मुहब्बे वतन पाकिस्तानी अपने तौर पर कर सकता है। कमेंट्स में बताइएगा। जज़ाकल्लाह। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाह।